Kapamilya, kapuso, kapatid, kabida! Narito na ang tatlong magbibigay ligaya at saya. Please welcome Miss Abby San Vicente, Jamie B, and Mr. Wow, Brooks Madula!
It feels good to see the world.
Yeah.
It feels good to see the world getting right. I don't know about you, Sack Noel. I don't know about you, Phenom. I don't know about you, myself. I don't know about you, but I feel good. I don't know about you, but I feel good. I don't know about you, but I feel good. I don't know about you, but I feel good. I don't know about you, but I feel good. I'm 2 plus 2, I'm for sure. You down, I'm down, baby, let's go. You stop, you drop, baby, then roll. You twerk, you pop, booty so swole. I'd hate me
Yes!
too if I were you.
Good evening, everyone! Welcome to a night in LA kung saan kayo ang bida!
Ay, ay, ay!
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 Perfect talaga naman ang galing ng ating mga estudyante ngayon, di ba?
I know, talagang
Oo.
pinaghandaan na naman po ang
Yes!
Iba ang energy nila.
Oo.
I know. At
Diba?
ang dami nating mga bisita ngayong gabi ha, na bagong muka.
Bagong mukha,
Yes,
oo.
oo. At dahil nga dyan, gusto po namin pasalamatan lahat po ng sumusuporta sa A Night in LA. Na kahit po nandito tayo sa Carson ngayon, kasama pa rin po namin kayo.
Oo, talagang ramdam namin ang inyong pagmamahal at suporta sa A Night in LA, di ba?
At syempre, maraming salamat, Miss Irene Castillo.
Of course!
Diba po? Ng Dance Time Dance Studio.
Oo.
Ayan. Maraming salamat, Miss Irene. And don't forget, every Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, may sayawan din po tayo dito sa Dance Time. So if you are looking for a place to dance, of course, Dance Time po, Wednesday, Saturday, and Friday. Yun.
Yes. At syempre, abay, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga nag-sponsor ng ating pagkain. Of course, ang ninang at ninong ng bayan, the one and only, Madam Nora Joy Kinney and Mr. Lloyd Rain for the lechon. Thank you so much.
Thank you!
Yes.
Maraming salamat.
Sobrang
po.
sarap.
And of course, the queen, the fashion icon, Madam Mary Nene Maceda for the bizcocho. Oh, di ba?
Ayun,
Ang sarap.
Pinag-agawan din.
Thank you, Madam. Oo. At ito dahil ipasok na lang din. About this coming Friday, June 21, mayroon po akong special event. Wow. Ako po ang main artist. Wow.
Ay,
Oo.
paano yung main artist? Paano ginagawa ng main artist?
Mas mataas ang talent fee.
Kasi kung dito,
ganun pala, ha?
kung dito kasi 2,000 per night siya.
Oo.
So kung doon mga 5,000.
Yes.
5K.
Oo. Kung wala kayong gagawin, this coming Friday po, June 21, sa La Cañada Country Club. Wow.
Ay,
It's only
level.
$70.
Uy.
Oo, yung
Magkano?
ticket.
70.
70.
Oo, syempre,
Iba na talaga si Mr. Wow ngayon, di ba?
may kasamang dinner yun. At ito fundraising at the same time, yung binili nyo ng ticket, pwede nyo po i-deduct doon sa inyong
Kaya mo
Kaya
yan.
mo yan.
pwede i-deduct doon sa tax. Yan.
Tax deductible.
Oo, taxable. Yan.
Yun.
Oo.
Yun
Friday
naman
po
pala.
yan. Oo. Pag gusto niyo po ng ticket, let me know. Oo.
Opo.
On Friday daw
On
po.
Friday,
Friday.
6:30 p.m. sa La Cañada Country Club. Oo. May mga kasama akong ibang artist doon.
Sino?
Ah.
Talaga, Jamie, naiwan na
Wala
tayo.
eh.
Oo.
Naiwan na kami ni Abby.
Hindi naman. Oo.
Hindi, congratulations.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah. So, ayan po, on Friday, let's support Mr. Wow Brooks Madula sa kanyang fundraiser.
No, that's not mine.
That's not yours.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ano
Ikaw
yun?
lang ang special
Main act
guest.
siya, main
Oo,
act.
kinuha lang ako dahil may fundraising sila at gagawin para yung funds na makukuha itutulong sa Pilipinas sa mga kabataan.
Tama.
Okay, at ngayon nga pong gabi, umpisahan na natin ang ating kasayahan. Siyempre, sino pa ang magpapaumpisa kung hindi ang ating birthday celebrant? Let's give a big round of applause sa birthday celebrant, Miss Nelly May and partner, Kim.
Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. And maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. If I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. And maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely times. I guess I never told you I'm so happy that you're mine. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind.
Mejor se corre despacio, disfruta bien de la vida, aunque tomando medidas. Azúcar. One, two, tres, azúcar. Gusto ko sanang marinig ang tinig mo. Umasa na rin na sana'y mahawakan ko ang palad mo. Gusto ko sanang lumapit, kundi lang sa lalaking kayakap mo. Dalhin mo ako sa iyong palasyo. Maglakad tayo sa hardin ng iyong kaharian. Malaman akong pag-aari, pangako ko habang buhay kitang pagsisilbihan, o aking prinsesa. Prinsesa, prinsesa, prinsesa.
naman, Miss Nelly May and partner Kim, together with Miss Ying Deheza and partner Sergio.
Grabe, na-enjoy ko yun.
I know, right?
Punong-puno ng emosyon.
So,
Diba?
yung surprise ni Miss Ying and Sergio yon sa ating birthday celebrant.
Yes.
Diba? Maraming salamat po. We enjoyed your dance number. Sure, yung una, napaka-romantic
Oo
nung sayaw,
parang
no?
gusto ko ganun palagi, di
I
ba?
know. Ang sarap, ang sarap. Thank you po, thank you po. Ayan.
Yes, speaking of thank yous, pasalamatan na natin ang ating mga sponsors. Siyempre, let's start with The Roca Firm. Yan, Mr. Ray Roca. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. And of course, guys, let us wish him good luck para sa kanyang competition sa Las Vegas. Diba? Mananalo tayo niyan. Yes, The Roca Firm. We have our branch here in Los Angeles and of course, in Las Vegas. Thank you so much to our social media master, Mr. Aaron Roberts. Thank you for our photos and videos. Guys, ang gaganda po ng mga photos and videos that he is posting in our social media. That's why thank you so much. Our editor and cinematographer, Mr. James Castillo, thank you very much. Our napakasipag na DJ, nasan siya? Kumakain, pakainin natin, DJ Roland Liboon. Yes, wag po nating kalimutan na siya po ay bigyan ng generous tip dahil napakasipag po ng ating DJ. Thank you so much. Ayan o, bait ng lilibre yan. And of course, thank you very much sa ating pretty Miss Janet Cruz for our prayer for tonight and for our birthday celebrant. Thank you. Ang ating mga Kabida Boys, mga roving DIs, thank you so much for helping us out in our buffet. Ang ating cashier, Miss Beth Pamanyan, thank you. Yes, may nakalimutan pa ba ako? And of course, pasalamatan na natin din yung mga outfit natin tonight. Si Miss Tess Bolong, thank you so much sa aming mga outfit ni Abby every week po yan.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Miss Tess Bolong. And of course, maraming salamat lagi sa Ninang ng Bayan, Miss Nora
Yes.
Joy and Sir Lloyd Rain.
Thank you po.
Yes, maraming salamat din, Miss Madeline Navarro. I know you are not here, pero lagi kayo nakasupport at lagi kayo nakatutok sa amin. Miss Madeline, we'll hope to see you next week.
Yes, and
Ayan.
of course yung ating napakagandang smile, di ba?
I know.
Mula yan syempre sa Mint Dental.
Miss Edita Ignacio.
Thank you so much.
Ayan. And of course, maraming salamat, Miss Joy Villavicencio, sa aming contact lens solution ni Jamie.
Thank you po.
Of course, and this time naman, meron tayong import.
Uy.
Import to. Surpresang malupit! Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a very big round of applause. Victoria and Reed!
Ako
kami sa bahay.
Alam mo, ganun kayo pag
Oo,
diba?
kakain na.
Kain na.
Maglalaban na tayo. Ganon.
Ako, pagka ginawa ko yung gumagano, hindi
Oo.
na ako makakatayo.
Gusto ko magawa
Masakit
mo
sa
rin yun,
balakang.
ha? Gawin yun ni Brooks
Ay,
yun, ha?
nako. Yun na nga, kailangan ko mag-stretching ng gusto.
Ang galing.
But anyway, another round of applause for Miss Victoria and Raid.
Hindi ako nakahinga. Grabe,
Diba?
the whole time. Yun yung talagang literal na breathtaking.
Oo,
Oo.
grabe. Ako din hinihingal na ako sa unang step pa lang. But anyway, this time naman, magpapahuli ba ang ating kabida na si Mr. Wow? Siyempre, so this time, magpapabida po si Miss Jamie B together with Mr. Wow and the Kabibe Boys.
Kabibe Boys. Ayun, bago yun, bago. Baka trip to Jerusalem pala to, ha? May palakpakan tayo, kunwari. Ayan, thank you po. Para daw sa mga martyrs sa pag-ibig tong kantan to, eh. Nako, aray. Kapag ako ay nagmahal, isa lamang at wala nang iba pa. Iaalay buong buhay, lumigaya ka lang, lahat ay gagawin. Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sambat na maririnig. Di ba pang martyr, di ba? Patak ng luha ko ang Hindi po siya kasama. Teka lang. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka mang iba, ba't baliw na baliw ko sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis, o bakit nga ba mahal kita? Talagang naaakma ang awiting ito sa kanilang istorya ng pag-iibigan. Ano man ang sabi nila, pagtingin ko sa'yo'y di kailanman magmamaliw. Buong buhay paglilingkuran kita, di naghahangad ng anumang kabalik. Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko ang iniwang saksi. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, eto pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit pa may mahal ka mang iba, ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis, o bakit nga ba mahal kita? Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Damandama ko talaga yung sakit, di ba? Ang hirap nung ganun. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Wow at ang mga kabibe dancers.
Grabe, ang bilis ng karma. Yung
Grabe.
may istorya pala.
Oo.
So, ito...
May manliligaw siya.
Hindi, may jowa niya si...
Jowa niya.
Tapos, bandang huli, naging sila, iniwan siya, di ba?
Ah, naku.
May istorya pala.
Pero
anyway,
in
maraming
fairness,
salamat.
Mr. Wow, sabi ko sa inyo, it's an impromptu performance.
Prompto. Kaya, sino po ang nawawalan ng tablecloth?
Yung tablecloth na yun, pakisoli po,
Oo, ayan, Miss Irene, yung tablecloth mo, bilangin mo, ha?
Bilangin mo.
Very creative
Ayan,
kasi ngayon lang niya pinractice yun.
Opo, palakpakan natin, Mr. Wow.
Conceptualize. Ayan. At dahil nga dyan, I'd like to announce, ladies and gentlemen, next week, dito pa rin po tayo sa Dance Time Dance Studio. Pero starting July 1, we're gonna be going to Friendship Auditorium in Los Feliz. Ayan, doon na po tayo starting July 1st. Yung po, kasya daw doon, 300 na katao.
300. Imbitahan nyo na lahat.
Yan, oo.
Oo.
Pati kapitbahay
Pati
nyo, isama
kapitbahay,
nyo.
pati yung may utang sa'yo, imbitahan mo na. Doon mo
Ay,
na.
ganon? Pati may utang sa'yo?
Oo, kaya
ikaw
nga-
magbabayad ng,
Kaya nga.
entrance.
Oo.
Magpabayad ka ng entrance.
Yeah, everyone's welcome, of course.
Of course, so this time naman, raffle na naman po tayo. Of course, courtesy of the birthday celebrant, Miss Nelly May. So may I call on here, Miss Nelly May. And of course, Miss Nora Joy, kayo po ang bubunot sa ating raffle.
3471.
Okay, check. 341.
3471.
Last
Ayun.
one. Ayun na. Congrats.
Ayun po, 3471.
Ayan,
That's it.
Wala na po.
That's it.
Congrats, you got
Congrats.
it.
Congratulations,
Thank you so much,
salamat
madam.
po, Miss Nelly May,
And
Miss
Miss
Nora
Nora
Joy. Yung raffle pala natin galing kay Miss Yeng Diheza na ano. Ayun, maraming salamat, Miss Yeng.
Miss Jane, pakitayo
Ayun.
naman para mas na-acknowledge. Ayan!
Jane,
Wow! I remember, Miss Jane, isa
Saka
sa...
si Miss Nelly May.
Oh, isa sa ating
so
mga-
silang dalawa ang nagpamigay ng
Oh,
raffle.
I remember, Miss Jane, isa sa ating mga performer nung last February 10.
Nakita mo yung gown ni Miss
Oo,
Yeng.
iba si Miss
Grabe,
Yeng.
oo.
Ganda.
Oo.
Ang gandara. At napakagaling, di ba?
Yes, kaya pala magaan ang loob ko kay Miss Yeng dahil
Oo nga eh.
mapagbigay eh.
Napagbigay. Kaya alam mo mananalo, karamdam mo eh, no? Ramdam mo.
Oo nga.
Energy! O, di ba?
Iba. Naka-cash prize.
At dahil nga dyan, tinatawagan ko po kayong lahat dito sa harapan so that we can actually sing and dance with the birthday celebrant.
Of
So may I
course.
call on everybody dito po sa harapan para po tayo mag-party-party.
Oo, sa ating mga
Yes.
ladies na talaga namang all out ang outfit.
Ayan, dito po tayo mga pretty ladies. Samahan
Ayan,
niyo po
Miss Chris,
kami.
Miss Linda.
Ayan. Alright, let's hit it, Mr. DJ. Alright, let's dance, ladies. Alam na alam ni Abby ito. Sisimula ni Abby yan. Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Miss Edith, everything I want to be good news. Siyempre, my birthday girl, it's now coming through for me. Reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. Everyone, ladies, I'm on a top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find, it's the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Keep on singing, ladies. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves of the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. Tita Mary, there is only one thing on my mind. When this day, I hope that I will find that tomorrow I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can Birthday girl, come on! It's the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Thank you. Top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love put me at the top of the world. Yay! Thank you, ladies! Thank you, Paul. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Yes. Kita mo naman lahat ng candle may wish. Oo. Siguradong matutupad yan. May tikim pa.
The party was packed, I'm talking back to back. Two was a rapper that was rapping. Two a beat that was whack. They was going through the motions out on the dance floor. And when the rapper was done, they wasn't yelling encore. The people were tired of the same old groove. They wanted something dead, something new and improved. Something easy to do, but harder to dance. I got something for y'all. What do you call it? The twist. Come on, midnight. Let's do the twist. Chop and check it and the bad boys. We're doing the twist. Take us by our little hand and go like this.
Ayan mga kabida, abay, nandito naman tayo. Siyempre, nandito tayo sa United LA. Of course, napaka-special na gabi na to. Of course, kasama natin si Madam Nelly May na nag-birthday ang ating birthday celebration, of course. Ayan, welcome, Miss
Nelly May, happy
Nelly
birthday!
May, so this is the first time that you celebrated your birthday here in Nelly, right?
Yes.
So how does it feel celebrating your birthday with your friends?
Well, it's overwhelming because I don't know a lot of people, but then they're all very friendly, for one. So I'm enjoying it.
Good.
And did you guys, we just found out just now that Miss Nelly May is celebrating her 76th birthday.
Yay!
Oh my God,
Wow!
can
You look
see
so
this?
young.
I know, right? You look like you just turned 55.
I wish.
Yeah, I mean, you even look younger than those that are 55
Yes.
years old, right?
And the way she danced earlier, right?
Yeah.
Wow!
How long did you practice that dance number?
1 week.
Wow!
1 week. And your dance instructor from where is he? Is this the
Kim,
first time
Kim just arrived from the Philippines 2 months ago.
Okay.
months ago?
Yes.
Okay, and then how long have you been dancing with Kim? Have you
A week ago.
before?
A week ago only. Wow.
So, a week ago, they practiced that wonderful dance.
Yes. But I'm so sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Yeah, I was wondering earlier because your dance has full of emotion. Yeah, did he teach you that emotion to come out or?
No, actually the story is I lost my son 3 years ago from a car
I'm so
accident.
sorry.
And we were supposed to dance on my birthday at 75 years old. Unfortunately, he didn't make it. So I asked him to dance Rumba with me as he's my son. And I was longing to hold him. And I did, and then I let him go, like go home.
I'm getting emotional. Because when it comes to like a mom and son,
I I truly miss him.
Oh, so she's right here.
This is me.
Wow.
No, this is his baby hair. I was.
But anyway, so you're a strong mom, and
Yes.
God has a plan for all of us. So,
Yes.
Yeah, we have to go home sometime.
Yep. I agree with you.
Tears are falling. I'm so sorry. Because we both have sons.
Son, yeah.
Yeah.
I have like my único hijo and you are.
Yeah, me too. But is he your only child?
He's my oldest son.
Oldest son. And how many other kids do you
There's only 2.
Two, okay. If your other kid is watching, say hi to her or him. Give him a shout out.
Hi, Patrick.
Hi, Patrick.
Mom is watching. Wait, hold on. I still have it. Anyway.
Yeah, mom will never forget your
Yes,
son.
of course.
Your mom always carries the burden. And it's like a fingerprint that when you lose a son, you lose yourself.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Yes.
That's what I heard.
There is no, ourselves are fake right now. I'm smiling and all that.
Right.
But when the sun goes down and it's dark, then it hits you. All
Yeah.
the storm hits you. All the good memories. And you just cry to tears until you fall asleep.
And what's the name of your son? If you don't mind us asking.
It's Michael Keith Cottle.
Michael Keith. Michael Keith. I know that you're always like watching your mom. And she's staying strong.
Yes.
Okay. And what's your wish for when is your exact birthday?
June 26th.
June 26th. So it's gonna be next
Next week.
next week. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm Cancer.
What is your wish?
I have no wish anymore. I made it this far. I'm okay.
Yeah, wow.
7 is pretty, like
Yes.
a really good journey.
And you look really good. You really look amazing.
I'm actually a retired nurse.
Oh.
I've been working since I left the Philippines and worked as a nurse's aide and just went up.
Wow.
And okay, so you're a return nurse. What have you been doing after you retire?
I travel a lot by sea and by land, by plane, and just having fun. That's what we have to do when we get this age.
Yes.
I know, right?
That's just what we need to do, you know,
Well,
just have
actually,
fun.
I'm going to give you guys an advice, okay?
Okay.
As long as your legs are working and standing up, save that money, that month, go on vacation because you'll never know when you're
Yes.
going to go.
Exactly.
That's true.
You
Yes.
have a plan a specific country
To
No.
visit.
Bucket list, any bucket list?
Anymore.
I've been halfway around the world.
Wow.
I have good husbands. I have married twice. Both died.
Oh, really?
Sorry. Yeah.
I haven't been married, but my ex died in a car accident too. So.
That is why. As long as your legs are still working, keep on walking, keep on traveling. Yes.
Life goes on.
Yes.
That's true.
Yes.
So, Miss Nelly May, once again, thank you for celebrating your birthday here. And one more thing. I'd like to know, aside from traveling around the world, aside from dancing, what other hobbies do you have?
I do oil painting.
Wow.
I do jewelry. And I crochet.
Wow. Very artistic.
Yeah, she's a
Yes.
busybody.
Keeping herself busy, diba? Yes. Anyway, I hope you enjoy your night here.
I'm really doing it. I mean,
Yes, always
having
come back
fun.
here.
And it's nice to
You're
to
always
meet you
welcome.
guys.
Yes.
We might come back again.
Please.
Okay?
You're always welcome here in the
Thank you.
Yeah. Did you eat a lot of food tonight?
Yes.
The food here is always good. Yes.
And I heard that she likes sweet, so we're gonna be eating cake.
Right. Yeah, the cake. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching here at A Night in LA. We are here every Monday, and to all our subscribers and viewers who's always watching us, thank you so much. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe right now and hit the like button and the bell so you're always going to be notified with all our posts every week. Because here in A Night in LA, kayo ang bida!
Ayan, welcome back na naman po dito sa A Night in LA kung saan kasama natin ngayon ang napakaganda, napaka-sexy at napaka-friendly na nagpamigay ng napakaraming raffle ngayong gabi.
Yes.
Miss Ying Dehesa!
Welcome to A Night in LA, Miss King.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. It's fun over here. I like it actually.
Ako unang tanong. Ayan. Sino po ang gumawa ng inyong napakagandang belt na Wings of Tomorrow?
Galing sa Pilipinas to, pinagawa ko. Customized. It's customized.
Customized, wow.
Yes, yes.
Tila pinagmanahan ka ni Queen Elizabeth ng mga diamond.
Talagang para sa'yo lang yan. Hindi yan babagay sa iba.
Wala kayong mabibili sa buong mundo. Customized. Nakalagay doon may signature Ying Dehesa.
Sa kanya lang. Pag iba nagsuot niyan, masikip.
Masikip.
Okay, maluwag niya lang. Sa kanya lang talaga.
Yes.
Okay, so Miss Ying Dehesa, meron po kayong pinagkakaabalahan na foundation, charity ninyo.
Yes,
Ano
yes.
po yan? Tell us more about your charity.
This is a Children's Whisper charity. I have 32 scholars in the Philippines in my hometown, Iba, Zambales.
Oh, wow.
So I do have a golf tournament once a year to
Wow.
fund these 32 scholars. They go to high school, I send them to school. I buy their uniforms 3 times a year. I provide for their lunch, their school supplies. I bring backpacks from here to the Philippines for my scholars. It's 32 of them. Very smart kids, very intelligent kids, but they're poor, so I need to help them. And that's my mission in life right now.
Wow.
And I've been doing this for 11 years, so I'm
Wow.
gonna continue.
That's the reason why you are so
Good.
blessed, because you've been helping a lot of
Yes,
yes.
yes.
a lot of kids in the Philippines.
Yes,
And these
yes.
are the less fortunate kids, not just ordinary kids. Kids with brains, but couldn't afford to
Yes,
go to school.
yes.
Ika nga yung kasabihan na the more you give, the more,
The more you receive.
The more you give, the more you receive.
Yes, talaga naman ebidensya.
I've been blessed ever since.
Of
and
course.
I can't thank God enough for this.
Thank you for sharing your blessings talaga. Kasi
you.
we have lots of those na hindi talaga sa Philippines.
At ito naman, speaking of sharing of blessings,
Yes.
oo naman, nanalo nga ako kanina eh. Di ba? $50 lang naman, di ba?
Nanalo sa taon, nanalo
Nanalo.
ng merchandise. Ako na lang hindi na
Sinare mo
nanalo.
yung panalo ko.
Oo, nga, sinare mo yung panalo mo. Sali na ako kay Lakel. Basta, sharing is
Share is
caring.
caring.
Maraming salamat.
Yeah.
So, Miss Ying, aside from dancing, ano pa po ang pinagkakabalahan natin?
I play golf too, every weekend, almost every weekend.
Wow.
Yes,
Yun ang ginawa
that's
niya.
are my passion, dancing and golf. I do competition too with my teacher Sergio Brillante and Tony Nunez.
I remember when you performed during our big event at Anay
Yeah,
LA.
February 10.
Si Sergio ang kapartner niyo, no?
Yes, and Tony.
And
Tony, yeah.
Yes, oo, dalawang
Dalawang
kapartner
beses
niyo
siya.
nun. Oo nga.
Iba.
Miss Ying, saan po tayo sa Pilipinas? Iba Zambales?
I'm from
po-
Iba Zambales.
What's the dialect in Iba Zambales?
It's Sambal and Ilocano, but I don't speak both of them, sorry.
Okay, okay.
Tagalog lang.
Tagalog lang.
Yan, batiin niyo po.
Good evening dito, good morning sa inyo mga taga-Iba Zambales. This is Ying Dehesa. To my family and friends in Iba, hello and mabuhay.
Yan.
Curious ako, Miss Ying, kasi napakaganda ng movement mo. How long have you been dancing?
I've been competing since 2018.
Not just dancing, competing.
Competing. Wow. Iba yung dancing lang, kundi nagkukumpit talaga. Oh,
Sino po ang
iba.
nag-influensya sa inyo?
Just me, kasi passion ko ang dancing. It's really actually my mom. Mother ko ang nag-influence sa akin
So
na
I'm sure
magsayaw.
yung mother mo rin talagang magaling din.
Hindi naman siya magaling, but she's very social.
Okay.
She's very social. She danced with my dad, and then I got it from there. So, but then I came to the United States. I raised 3 kids, so I stopped dancing. But after they were, they out of the house, that's when I started doing ballroom, social dancing, and taking lessons and competing.
Wow. Talagang hindi mawawala yun. Once it's in your heart, it's in your
Yes,
heart.
yes. I'm happy.
That's good.
Ikaw ba, Miss Ying, sasama ka ba sa Anayat nila sa Pilipinas?
Ay,
This coming January.
Alam mo, January yun, we're really, really busy at work. That's one thing my boss will turn me down.
Oh, I see.
So, sa ngayon, nag-work si Miss Ying.
Yes,
Ano po ba sabihin?
I still work full-time at TaylorMade Golf Company. That's the reason why I play golf too.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Anong favorite na sayaw ni Miss Ying?
Rumba!
Oh, ayan yung tugtog.
Ayan pala.
Oh.
Ayan na, tapusin na natin kasi rumba na.
Rumba na.
Rumba na. Papasukan mo na.
Ayan. Oh, kita niyo naman naman mga kabida, talaga naman ramdam na namin dito kung ano yung saya. Talaga naman gusto namin i-share sa inyo. Of course, sa ating mga kabida dyan, huwag lang basta manood, kundi i-share, i-like ang official page ng Anay NNA. And of course, sa YouTube channel po. Siyempre, na talagang tuwang-tuwang kami dahil nakita namin ulit ang aming kaibigan na talagang supporters ng Anay NNA. So ayan mga kabida, abangan nyo kami ulit sa susunod na Anay NNA. Of course, siyempre, dito lang kung saan kayo